So this is the controller for the G20. It's yellow, green, black, blue, red. I plan to attach this voltmeter here, and I will just be cutting the black and the red wires of the G20 switch. This is the wire of my voltmeter, and I'll be removing this connector here, and then I'll be splicing the wires and attaching it to my G20. So after connecting all of the wires, it would be better if you could solder it, and take note of the connections. The red wire goes to the G20 there, and the green wire goes to the controller. The black wire, connect them all. And there you have it. Switch is ready. So as you can see, it will not turn on, but if you switch the key, you'll see the voltage and you can turn on your bike. That's it. Thank you. Okay, I just wanted to make a follow-up video to warn everyone that when you do remove your cover plate and turn it, make sure that black is up, red is down. Because if you place it this way, kaboom! Make sure this is up, or in whatever polarity you took it.